In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from Coinbase to Debit Card 2025, step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly how to move your cash balance from Coinbase straight to a debit card quickly and safely. Start by opening your Coinbase app. Make sure you're on a secure internet connection and that your app is up to date, since older versions can hide buttons or cause errors. If prompted, complete any security checks before continuing. You should now be on the home screen. Take a second to confirm you're logged into the correct account, especially if you manage more than one. Along the bottom of the app, you'll see the main navigation. Tap My Assets at the bottom. This is where all your balances live, including both crypto and cash. We're interested in your cash wallet for United States dollar. Open United States dollar. This is your USD cash balance within Coinbase, and it's the only balance you can cash out to a debit card here. If you don't see any USD available, it likely means your funds are still in crypto or pending. In that case, you'll need to convert or sell crypto to USD first and wait for any required holds to clear before cashing out. Next, tap Cash Out. On this screen, you'll see your available amount and an estimate of fees and delivery time. Adjust the amount if needed. Take a moment to review the details so you know what will arrive on your card and what, if any, fees apply. If you haven't linked a card yet, choose Add Debit Card. Enter your debit card details carefully. For the best results, use a Visa or MasterCard debit card that supports instant payouts, and make sure the name and address match your Coinbase profile. Your bank may run a small temporary authorization to verify the card. Only add cards you own. Never share card numbers or one-time codes with anyone. Once your card is added and selected, tap Cash Out Now. Review the confirmation screen, then approve the transfer. Most debit card cash outs arrive within minutes, though your bank may occasionally take longer. You'll see a confirmation in Coinbase and typically a push notification from your bank when the funds land. If cash out is unavailable or grayed out, common causes include insufficient USD balance, a recent sale that's still settling, regional limitations, or hitting daily limits. Waiting for pending funds to clear or verifying your account usually resolves this. You can track the status under recent activity in the app. That's it! Your USD from Coinbase is now on your debit card. Stay secure with two-factor authentication and keep the app updated for a smooth experience.